MasterTech Auto is a German-based automotive shop. We specialize in BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, and Mini, and have been in business since November 2012. The services that we provide at MasterTech are going to be anything that the dealership can do other than recalls and upholstery work, whether it's transmission work, whether it's engine replacement, basic oil services, or diagnostic. We're able to handle those services. Winning this award is very humbling, and we would like to say to the City of Hickory, the people of Hickory, thank you very much for acknowledging the efforts that my family and our technicians put out every day here, just so we can give back to our community. So we would like to thank you very much for this opportunity. In August of 21, we were given advice to pursue and persevere our business. And so this is now December of 2023. We are still pursuing and persevering, and look forward to 2024, the upcoming year, to keep on pursuing the business.